come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is Defi Bully. I'm gonna do a quick update video on Drip. Haven't done one of those in a while, and Drip has been doing some innovative things. The naysayers gotta shh, you feel me? But before we get into all of that, please remember, head over to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. We almost there at 1,000 subscribers, okay? Hit that notification bell because you know it's DeFi's time sensitive information. You want to hear this stuff first. And then like this video, and after you like the video, marry the video. So let's head over to the fountain. The fountain was what has been so consistent. The price of Drip, first off, it's been around like $8, $9 for like the past few months, which is pretty good. If you guys have been compounding, you'll see like you're actually jumping up there. I believe I started with like 25 Drip, so I compounded all the way to 105. I have made some claims, and that's one thing I love about Drip. I'm over here at the Foster right now. Although there's no advanced tokenomics, those things came a little after. But what Drip has done is like just always had some use cases and different ways that you could utilize the Drip token and projects coming out around it that just kept like a consistent hype with the project. So I believe I claimed earlier. I'm gonna start compounding some more. I'm gonna see if I could get this to $200. But I just like how it's just been consistently paying me. And in hard times, this same platform has paid my phone bills for me. I claimed and paid light bills a couple times, you know what I mean? So it's definitely gave me a return on my investment, or ROI, a long time ago. I originally bought in around like November, I believe, 2021. So I kind of got in slightly kind of early, I guess. Sorry about that. But yeah, so to go over some of the news that I've been seeing around this, if you look at the Crypto's Winners Circles Telegram group, they shared something from Forex Shark himself, the creator of Drip. He said, "I'm proud to release the first iteration of the Scratchy Docs." So they're coming out with their game, which is a scratch token, some type of gambling platform where it utilizes like a scratch off. Basically, it's a scratch off, a digital scratch off. More details will be added over time, but this provides a brief overview of the system. Okay, he went on to mention, just got out of an extremely productive meeting with Chainlink about our future partnership regarding Scratchy. They're blown away by our demo. Let's see if that's true. If it's true, that's definitely bullish. Everybody know Chainlink, how big that is. That's basically, come on now. We'll be creating fresh social medias for the project very soon. Animal farm development is on pace. I will be doing an interview later this week to give a full update. Will be announced shortly. Okay. We have contacted dozens of major influencers and prepared for a marketing campaign like nothing you've ever seen to date in DeFi. The innovation we are bringing to the table with the new contracts is truly a major step. It's truly a major step forward in DeFi, and we put our full resources behind promoting them starting next month, people. Okay? And this was released around July, late July. So around this month or beginning of September, we'll start to see a lot of these things go into play. Just bullish news. If you guys want to talk about anything else, y'all can hit me up in my Telegram group. That's Bullpen Millionaires right here. We bullish on the Bandit token. We see what's been going on with that. It's been a slight retract in the price, but the crew count is going up. That's the amount of NFTs that's out there. The holders are going up. If we go over here to the planning board, okay. So it's just a good way to make passive income. Let's go into these daily ROI platforms are really changing lives of many. It's changing my life. Hit that like button if I brought some content to you. I'm gonna keep this just nice, sweet, and short. Just a quick update video. I ain't do one of these in a minute. Let's go. And remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.